Hi! In this tutorial I will be showing you how to make this soft cup bra. The pattern is called Wild Nights and it features 3 different designs and this is one of them. You can purchase this pattern on my Etsy store along with the bra straps, O-rings and also the bottom elastic, so be sure to check it out and like, comment, subscribe, and let's start! So you will cut out your pattern pieces according to the instructions in your own size, and again the pattern can be purchased on my Etsy store and it comes with 3 different variations of the bra and 6 different sizes. And once you have your pattern cut out, you will cut out your pieces out of the fabric. Now you can use a jersey or spandex, or what I am using is a ordinary puffer mesh. And because it's very delicate fabric, I will be cutting out 2 pieces out of each pattern. And since puffer mesh or a net is very delicate fabric and very sheer, if you're going to make it double lined, it's going to be less transparent and a bit more sturdy. Now onto the sewing process, so we will have to start by overlocking our center seams of the bra cups before attaching them together with a straight stitch. If you do not have an overlocker, you can just take the cups and sew the center seams together with a zigzag stitch. And then I will open the seam flat and I will top stitch it. I am top stitching with a long straight stitch, but you can also use a narrow zigzag stitch. This seam shouldn't really be that much stretchy, so you can get away with a straight stitch. Moving, we will align our back pieces, and again we will overlock the side seams together. And we will do the same for the side seams of the front piece. Next, you will align front piece and the back piece together and sew only one side seam with a straight stitch. And don't forget to backstitch again. And then we will clean the bottom hem of the bra with overlocker for the next step. Before I attach the elastic, I like to pre-stretch it to make it a bit softer. And then I will attach it with a narrow zigzag stitch, gently pulling on the elastic, making sure that there is certain tension under it. And then we will close the loop and secure both side seams together with a straight stitch. Cut away any excess off and open up the side seam so that we can again secure the seam allowance with a straight stitch, and this will make the elastic lay flat. Now this is how it looks, very pretty and neat. Our next step is attaching elastic, and first you will attach it to the center front and then you will move to the shoulders and back and then again shoulders. To attach folder elastic, you can use a 3-step zigzag stitch or a narrow zigzag stitch. I am using my overlocker and my elastic is 3/4 of an inch or 18 millimeters. Now you're going to take your O-rings and you're going to feed them through the shoulder straps and secure in place and pin with either straight stitch or narrow zigzag stitch. And you're going to attach your bra strap. Now I am having a fixed bra straps, but if you would like adjustable bra straps, you can also do that. And now for the placement of the bra straps, I suggest that you will try the bra on and see where you like them to be. Now, for the placement of the bra strap, what I like to imagine is that the back is divided into 3 equal parts, and at the start of each part is exactly where the bra strap should be. I measured how long I want my bra strap to be, and it's approximately 30 centimeters to 33 centimeters. Again, this will depend on the elasticity of your bra strap, so I highly recommend that you will measure how much you need on yourself when you'll be making the bra. And now the bra is finished. You can decorate it with either a lace applique or rhinestones, or you can also make it padded. The world is your oyster really here. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, you can check out the pattern on my Etsy store where it's up for purchase. I also sometimes run sales, so I can become your favorite shop. And yeah,